Alright, so I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if it'll let me show you. It'd probably help if I cleaned it up some. Alright, I pull that out. Come on, where you at? Okay, right there. I don't really care about this, really. Alright. Alright, can you see those scratches right there on that ring? Those scratches tell me that when somebody else did the bearings on here, they did not tighten it down properly. Because it shouldn't get those scratches right there. That should sit flush and not rotate. That should not rotate. Okay? It should not rotate when it is on here and up against that ring right there. It should not rotate and scrape on it. At least like that. Because when I took this off, that bolt that goes on the outside of here that had the king nut that goes on, the crown nut that goes on the outside here, was literally finger tight. It wasn't even wrench tight. They didn't even put a pound of pressure on it when they put it back together. But that's the passenger side now off, and I'm getting ready to put it together. And then I think after I get this side put back together, I'm gonna call it a night and get back to this early in the morning before work and try to get the driver's side done. But that's what I wanted to show everybody, that somebody did redo the bearings once on this passenger side. They didn't do it properly because they didn't tighten it up. Driver's side I already know is messed up. I've already checked it when the tire was on, and it's definitely the wheel bearings. So I'll get back to you when I'm doing the driver's side. Peace.